Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today I'm unboxing the latest Bible journaling kit by DaySpring. This is third line out of the Women of the Bible series, so I'm so excited to go ahead and unbox it and share it with you today. So I'm just going to do a quick sneak peek, and then when it releases I'll be able to give you my review of it. But they just sent the box, I got it in the mail, and I'm so excited to open it and share what's inside with you. Now they did also, I think, for this review, I think they're sending also a Bible so that I can show you as well. So I am so excited just to share all the things with my friends. Woo. Woohoo. Yay! Okay, that's, ooh, here is the kit, Women of the Bible. Ooh, but let's see what we have. Oh, cool. Okay, so we have the latest Encourage Bible. Now this is a really neat Bible that you can totally Bible journal in. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. This is the navy genuine leather. It says faithful and true Encourage Christian Standard Bible. So this is my second, actually my third Christian Standard Bible that I have in my house. Oh, that's so beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so I think in the next video when I do my review, I will show you how to Bible journal in this space here. So this is like a note. It's generally called a note-taking Bible, but I don't see that they're calling it a note-taking Bible here. Let me just do a quick check. Okay, so they're calling it just a Bible with the ability to write notes in it, or in other words, a journaling Bible. So, oh, how pretty is this? And it has, let's see what's so special. I won't do a review on this quite yet, but it's quite neat. Look at that. It's got different images in here. And it is, you know, technically a journaling Bible because you can write in the bottom here. So it's just a different format, which is fun. We'll have fun with this one. I think we will definitely have a lot of fun, and it's got two different bookmarks on it too, and it's just a really wonderful, beautifully well-made Bible. This one might become the one I take to church. How fun! Okay, so that Bible came, it does not come with the kit, it just came in my box, and just as another kind of gift for the launch team, which is awesome. Thank you so much, DaySpring. I really love Bibles, and I collect them, and so to get them is so awesome and sweet. Thank you so much, DaySpring. So they sent me that, and they also sent me the Women of the Bible kit. So I will open this up for you, and we will zoom in so you can see all of the things so close. And then this is just a quick sneak peek, and then we'll do a review coming up in a few days. So just keep watch for that review. Ooh, so in this unboxing sneak peek, we've got the beautiful paper that we're used to from DaySpring. We've got the really cool sticker, and if you're careful you can save that sticker and put it in your journals for later, of course. Oh, how fun. We're getting some gelato. Oh, I love gelato. So this one is fig. I don't have that. And then we have some washi tape, which is great. We've got some information about the kit. How fun. And I actually believe, yes, this is true. So how fun is this? Now, the people who did this kit also are the makers of this Bible. So you don't have to have the Bible to buy this kit, and vice versa. They're totally two separate things. You don't have to have each other. But how fun is it that and that's probably why we got the Bibles too. Just how fun is it that you can now try and have kits that are by different authors and different businesses, and just see how much variety we're getting in the Bible journaling market. So is that exciting? I'm excited. So we get that. You get a beautiful card. That's great. I love that. Now, is that included in the kit? Let's see. Let's see. So then you get I guess the card's included. How fun is that? You can give a card away. And then you have the Bible journaling, the sticker, and then we have a bunch of these really cool tabs real quickly. These are really strong cardstock tabs. Trust, miracle, new life. Oh, beautiful. Then you get clear stickers. Looks like I got two. Oh, are we getting two of the same? That's cool. So you get multiples, which are nice. Oh, How fun. And then we have the devotionals. We have one. So the women that we're working through, Mary and Elizabeth, Joanna and Susanna, Mary and Martha, and Huldah. I don't really read too much about her. Oh, and then we have the stamps, beautiful women's stamps. How fun! I love this. And there's just something else I want to share with you quickly. When you buy this kit, you will get the downloadable content. So you get these bonus printable pages. Let me move the camera so you can see just a little bit more of that. And you're going to get these printable pages. You can print those stickers out again. You can print these out on, I don't know, I think I'll print these out on tissue paper. And maybe we'll come back and show that as well in the review. You can do the flowers and then the words again. So here are the words right here. And then here are some of the flowers. Well, I hope that this sneak peek was really fun for you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And I'm so excited to dive deep in this kit so that we can do a really comprehensive review in the next video. So be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so that you can not miss anything. All right, I will talk to you soon. Goodbye.